Our environment, class 10 biology. What do you mean by the term environment? Environment is nothing but our surrounding. Environment includes all living things and non-living things. Environment is nothing but atmosphere, lithosphere and hydrosphere. In this particular chapter, we are discussing the constituents of environment. We are studying about ecosystem. Ecosystem, all living organisms, plants, animals, microorganisms interact with each other and they also interact with non-living constituents, climate, soil, air, water, etc. in a particular area. Maintain life is called ecosystem. All living organisms depend on each other and these living organisms also depend on non-living things. Imagine if water, air, soil and climate is not there in our environment, can we live? Without them, can any living things survive on this planet Earth? Never. So, interaction between living things and also non-living things in a particular area to maintain our life is called ecosystem. Examples for ecosystem: forest, pond, lakes, rivers, etc. Natural ecosystem. Forest. In the forest, we find tiger, lion, birds, different type of animals. All these are living organisms, depend on each other. Plants liberate oxygen, but oxygen is utilized by the animals. Animals give out carbon dioxide, which is used by the plants. So, like this, in a forest, all plants and animals interact with each other. Forest is a natural ecosystem. Pond. In the pond, fish, frog, insects, different type of plants and water all interact with each other. Water provides a surface for all living organisms. Pond also a natural ecosystem, naturally present on the earth. Garden, aquarium are artificial, man-made ecosystem. Garden. In the garden, we can see the grasses, grasshopper, insects, various type of living things and also soil. So, these are interact with each other to maintain a life. Aquarium, small ecosystem, small area. In an aquarium, we can see fishes, small real plants, water, food for fish, soil. They depend on each other. Aquarium is artificial ecosystem. Artificial ecosystem in the sense man-made ecosystem. Components of ecosystem. There are two main components of ecosystem. Abiotic components. All non-living constituents are called abiotic components. For example, water, air, soil, temperature and its components. Biotic components. All living organisms are called biotic components. For example, plants, animals and microorganisms. Okay, study well, revise the concept. Thank you very much.